Hi everyone, my name is Rosie. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm a third-year student programmer at the CWU Diversity and Equity Center. Welcome to the virtual DEC. Today we're starting our workshop video series where we introduce all of you to the various workshops and trainings offered by the DEC. Today's workshop is called Equity 101. To speak on what people could expect from such a workshop, we met with one of the training coordinators, Gladys.
Hello, my name is Ante. I work at the Diversity and Equity Center here at Central Washington University, and today we're going to be talking about Equity 101. Equity 101 is a workshop that opens discussions about equity and its importance in society. Here we set a foundation covering the basics of equity activities and create growth and development and an appreciation for inclusivity in one's lived experience. By defining equity, equality, and marginalization, we provide cwu with a better understanding of the societal systems that influence our sense of power and privilege and acknowledge its importance of identity.
Thanks, Gladys. If you're interested in attending this workshop, check out the training and facilitation webpage on the DEC website, cwu.edu/diversity. Both links are in the description. Additionally, you can check out the video on screen to continue learning more about the DEC. Thank you for visiting the virtual DEC and have a nice day.